a full day tour going to the Princess Islands. Guys, I just bought myself a shawl for 35 lira. I'm so freezing cold on the boat. Anyways, so we are at Princess Islands, and the Princess Islands are a chain of 9 rather smaller islands on the Sea of the Marmara. And this place is so beautiful. There's no cars, absolutely no cars allowed. All you can hear is bells from the bicycle. Like, sure, there's one coming. Yeah, there's just people like riding bicycles or carriages and horses. No vehicles are allowed on all of the islands. And we've stopped at one for a half an hour tour around, and then we're gonna go back to the boat. Taken a tour package which was $48 per person, and the best thing about the package is they pick you up right from your hotel, take you to the harbor where you get on the big boat, and then get on the boat, and then the boat is like a 45-minute ride up to this first island, and then we're going to continue into the next islands. It's also inclusive of food on the boat and return transfer to your hotel. Anyways, let's see what the first Princess Island has to offer. So on the islands, guys, there's also a lot of these old wooden houses which are all painted in white, and they look all fairy tale like. A lot of these houses are privately owned, and people from the main city of Istanbul come here for the weekend or for the summer to enjoy and have this amazing view of the ocean. You can go swimming here as well, I think, but it's quite rocky. What a view, guys! So guys, we are now heading to go for a horse riding carriage, and it's a 20-minute horse ride across the town and the village, and it's inclusive also in the package. People are lined up. You get into groups of 4 into the carriage and you're just taken around. So let's go. So it's like a 20-minute ride around the town, the little village town. It's so beautiful. Everything here is so quiet here. You literally don't hear anything apart from horses and bicycles. It's peaceful. People are so chill. Oh my god, look at that. Oh guys, can you see the poop? They have like this little poop bag where I think the horse is on it the whole day, and it just like constantly poops. Let me show you guys. Can you see the poop? Oh, go around, you see the little village. It's so beautiful, so many flowers around. It's literally like a little princess island. And the reason why it's called Princess Island is because this is where back in the Byzantine, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, back in the Byzantine times, this is where the princes and the royals used to be exiled, and that's where the name Princess Island comes from. After the horses, guys, it's now time for lunch.
Where's the plate? Where?
So, after lunch, Rafikis, you come to the last of the 3 islands that the tour takes you to, and this island is called Buyukada. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this one is so much bigger. This is the largest island of the 9. Here we have the public ferry where you can take it to go back to the mainland of Istanbul. the largest island of the 9 that exist on the Princess Islands, and it's so beautiful. Look at the birds behind me. There's a ferry boat behind me as well. I really want to get these flower crowns because I'm seeing everybody with one and it looks so pretty. Look at this. The pink one looks really nice. I don't know if I should get the one without the tie or the one with the tie. Okay, what do you all think of this one? What do you think? Cute, but it's not sticking on my head. I ended up choosing this one, the one that you tie at the back, because it just looks prettier. But all of them are really pretty. Thank you. You're welcome. So on this island, they give you about 2 hours to roam around and do whatever you want to do and see the place until you head back to the boat and go back. Guys, look at how full this place is. So many people. Ah, look at this flower crown. This is so cute. Guys, it gets so chilly over here, so if you ever come in the times of like September or August or even July, make sure to bring like a shawl or like a thick shawl or a jacket because it's pretty cold. Although it looks like it's super shiny and good weather, but it is quite chilly. Rent these bicycles and go around the town, rent a bike. They're so pretty.
Sorry.
You're moving?
Sorry gidiyor, sorry.
Ah, okay. When I first heard of Princess Island, what I imagined was like the beach, sand dunes, the ocean, but what there is like horses and bicycles and people in flower crowns. It's so different from what a typical island would be. So guys, that brings us to the end of the Princess Island tour. Basically, the tour ends at 5 p.m. It's right now 6, since we have the afternoon. I thought I'd come over and show my mom Taksim Square, which is where we're at right now. It's so full, so crowded. If you guys haven't watched my other video, which I came here about 8 months ago, I'll link it in the description box below. Make sure to watch it, and I'll see you guys in my next Turkish vlog. Bye, Rafikis!